Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to try another new recipe in my Instant Pot that I'm still having fun experimenting with. And the list of ingredients, you'll obviously need an Instant Pot. I've got a Duo Plus 6 quart. You'll need butter, eggs, an egg yolk, some chocolate chips, some powdered sugar, some flour, some vanilla, and some ramekins that I'm going to spray with cooking spray, and I'm using the butter kind today. And the recipe is linked below. So let's try to make an experiment with the Instant Pot and see if we can make some chocolate lava cakes. I am very excited because I love chocolate. All right, this recipe is very easy. I doubt anyone will need steps, but the first step is to take a microwave safe bowl, add the butter and the chocolate chips, and microwave for about 2 minutes and stir till combined. Took about 2 minutes in my microwave. Now we're going to add the powdered sugar and mix until it's smooth and combined. Next we're going to add 1 yolk and 3 eggs. Next we add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 6 tablespoons of flour. I did switch back to my whisk because it seems to have a few little clumps in it. Hopefully they will cook out and it will all work out in the end. Next thing we're going to do, we've got everything mixed together. We're going to take the ramekins that we've sprayed with cooking spray and fill them to the top, and then we're going to get them in the Instant Pot. All right, I've got them filled to the brim. My Calphalon soup ladler was the perfect amount. 1 scoop filled each 6-ounce ramekin. Now we're going to put them in the Instant Pot. I've got 1 cup of water in the bottom. The trivet that came with it, it's said to place 3 and then take the 4th one and rest it in the middle like a little pyramid. Alright, lids on, sealing position. We're going to do manual, or in my case pressure cook. We're going to do high pressure for 9 minutes and then do a quick release. Crossing my fingers. Alright, it just beeped after 9 minutes. It said to do a quick release. And I don't ever take any chances of stuff spewing. I always, sorry, terrible camera work. I always cover mine with a towel and do it that way. Alright, did a quick release. The pin just dropped. Oh, I do believe they overflowed. Let's see if we can get them out. You're going to take the whole trivet out? I had to get my husband to help me. I didn't want to drop or break anything. So we took the whole trivet out. I took the one off top, and now we're going to taste them. The one that was on the top is the prettiest one because it kind of sunk into the ones on the bottom, but I'm not all that picky about chocolate. I will eat it. So now we're going to get them out and see how they taste. My husband is the master.
Not really.
Yes, he is. Let's see if we get. Yep. And we use tongs because the ramekins, needless to say, are very hot. Pretty picture perfect. We're going to have some ice cream and toppings and taste test. You feel like being a guinea pig?
Always.
Always where chocolate's concerned. I found a guinea pig. And?
Ice cream's good.
Oh no!
Let's try this.
Does it ooze out? Is it too much? I'm wondering, one recipe had 8 minutes and one had 9, and I probably should have tried 8.
Got a little bit right there.
It's a little mooey and gooey in the middle, but it's not flowing like lava. How's it taste?
It's good.
Good? 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. It's a keeper. And 1 thumbs up. All right, I'm gonna taste mine.
You will give it 2 because it's chocolate.
It's chocolate. Tim is right. This is my kind of dessert. What'd you say?
It's very chocolatey.
It's very chocolatey and it's very good. Oh my, that was a good experiment. And next, I think I'm gonna try cheesecake.
The chocolate is really strong. You probably need 2 scoops of ice cream.
Just someone wants more ice cream. Hang on. These are our first attempt at chocolate molten lava cakes in the Instant Pot. We will leave a comment below or on the video if they're good. They look and smell delicious. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's cook, y'all. I hope if you like recipes, grocery hauls, cooking videos of any kind, you'll hit that red subscribe button and come back. Thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.